What's up YouTube, it's your boy Simply Kicks, and today I'm bringing you another video on how to basically buy like hyped streetwear for super cheap, how to get the deals, how to afford it and stuff like that. So with that being said, let's get straight into it.
Boy, if you don't.
What I want to say is, first is, just because you think you can't afford hypewear or Vlone, Gucci, all those brands, even shoes that are hyped, you think you can't afford them because you don't work or you're a teenager like me and just don't have the funds, to go out and spend everything, or you're not famous on YouTube or something like that. It actually doesn't have to do with anything. Basically, what I'm going to be showing y'all today is a huge, basically how I get all my stuff right here. As you can see, Supreme, Gucci, Vlone, Adidas, Supreme, Bape, all those brands. I want to show y'all basically how to get them for cheap and stuff like that. And how I do most of my stuff is an app called Grail. So basically, I'm gonna be showing you how to work through Grail, how to get deals, also, and a couple other tips. And so let's get straight into it. Here's the app called Grail. I'm on the website, as you can tell right now. But basically, this is how I shop to get super streetwear, hyped streetwear for cheap. Really easy in my opinion. You can even if it doesn't have to be hyped, but you just want some kind of clothing thing or Jordans or something, that you really want for a good deal, go on this app, excuse me, and you're gonna find it. So just say that you want a Supreme, Supreme, oh my gosh, Supreme, just say like a blimp, Supreme blimp, even though that's not super hyped. Say you want one. So what you're gonna do is, it's gonna automatically go to default and you're gonna see all these prices. So what you want to do is, you want to go here and you want to go to low price, and you're gonna see a bunch of stickers and stuff like that for low. Then you're gonna see right here the cheapest blimp they have posted 4 months ago. So I don't know if this is for sale. That's what you got to check also, is for sale, how long they posted ago. This might be for sale. I have a feeling it is, but like this 2 days ago for $60. That's not a bad deal. But what you can do here is, you can't even purchase this. So this means that he has a receipt and he wants to make an offer. So you can make an offer, or say you have a question like, has it ever been blown up by blah 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 or whatever. That's really good. So that's not a bad price. I could probably honestly get him down to 45 if I really worked, or maybe even 40. But also you got to look at this feedback. So he bought and sold 2 girls. Girls mean just from the whatever. So that's a 5 out of 5 feedback. That means he's done his job well. And so yeah. But if you want to go, what a nice thing to do is also, unless you're reselling, this is really good for your own collection. So let's just go to, say you're looking for a Supreme CDG box logo. So right here, I'm gonna put it on. Then I'm gonna go down here and just go to, let's just put all T's, so it comes up with all this, so you don't get any hoodies. So say you want a white one, you can type in white. If not, also, this is Grails. They have 3 different categories. They have hype, so that's Adidas, stuff like that, like what's popping right now. Here, I'll go to a different real quick, and I can show you the difference right here. So they have hype, Grails, core, and honestly, I don't even know what sartorial is. Actually, I think I can go to I don't even know, but basically hyped. See right here, if I sell, I can go, this is the difference right here. So for Grails, it's for high-end designers, stuff like that. Hype is, like I said, Supreme and Jordan and stuff like that. Sartorial, I guess, is a high-end classic menswear. I don't really ever go in there, so doesn't matter. And then core, I knew it was it's kind of stuff that is, I kind of consider core a little bit of hype too. But basically, with that being said, back to this. So say you want a CDG box logo white, so I'll just put white. So as you can see, this, let's just check this one out right here. This is the size large. This is my size. 9 out of 10 condition. He has pretty good pictures. I think I would ask him to post more or maybe DM me or something. But it says right here, worn and washed a few times, still looks and feels brand new. Open to offer, so obviously he's gonna take $270 or less. All sales are final, no returns. He sold 18, 5 out of 5 feedback. Also, he's from Canada, so that means that he might have to add a little bit more shipping if you're from the United States like me. But this site is really great. You know, it's a great site to find anything. This is where I find 90% of my stuff. Then this is how I make my others. I make money to resell. And also, I just go in here, you know, I just go to low price sometimes, go to Grailed or whatever, and just scroll through. You know, if I see anything super cheap, then I'll just cop it, then resell it. And that's how I also make money to do that. And if you don't find a great price right away, keep looking. If you have some patience, you're gonna find great deals. Eventually they'll pop up. Like headbands, accessories, you can find really cheap sometimes if the people get them from the low for their plug or whatever, or get them for retail, especially when stuff comes out. You can get them quick. So then on to the next thing is how to buy streetwear for cheap and stuff like that. Is you can go to StockX and a couple other I guess, but honestly I've never found a great deal in StockX or any of those other companies, and definitely not Flight Club. You're gonna get completely trashed. But when they, like right now we're not in the season, but Bape, and when they do this summer, fall and stuff like that. Did I just say summer, fall, spring and summer? I'm so sorry about that. You know that then you can cop some stuff that retails for, like, you know, say $50 and it goes for $200. That's $150 profit. It's really good profit and stuff like that. So that's how I basically do it. If you have any other questions on how I forward it or stuff like that. Also, I do customizations, as you can see right here, and sell them for more than what I paid for the shoe. That works good too if you want to do stuff like that. But I would stick mostly to trying to cop online for when they you know, first come out, or buy something that you find a good deal on, something like that. Even, I mean, they have anything on this website almost. MCM backpack, just say. Let's go here. I mean, so basically I can get a I've seen really good deals before, but I mean, this isn't bad. $500. They retail for like 7 something, so $7.90. Retail was $9.50 on this bag because that's a cream bag. Really nice. As you can see, you can literally find anything that's hyped or anything. And I really think this is a great website. I'm really glad that, you know, there's still, this is, whoever made it, I don't know who made Grilled, but very good. But with that being said, thank you for watching. Please go watch my recent video, and please subscribe and comment on what you want to see next, or if you have any questions. And peace out, y'all.
My name